Ice cream cake is the perfect treat for summer, and this version is oh so easy. Of course, you can use whatever flavor you want. I'm doing a chocolate ice cream cake, starting with chocolate box cake mix. So you're just gonna prepare your cake according to the package directions. I love a box cake mix because you don't have to worry about wet and dry ingredients. It all goes in at one time. All right. After you've mixed your cake, you're gonna choose the option for a 9x13 pan. This makes it for easy serving, and you don't have to worry about any layering. Easy as cake. Mine goes in at 325 for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna let it cool completely before we do the ice cream. Cake is out, smells good. We're gonna let it cool completely on the wire rack. You cannot be putting cold ice cream on a warm cake. That won't end well. Now for the ice cream layer. If you can find your ice cream in a square carton, that's gonna be best. Peel the sides away and then cut this whole loaf. Now I'm gonna place these 2 halves onto some wax paper or parchment paper. You see where I'm going? Now the cake is gonna be slightly larger than the ice cream, so we're gonna trim off some of the edges. At this point, I'm popping it back in the freezer because it melts really fast. And then, once it's hardened again, we'll turn it back over onto our serving tray. All right, now for the fun stuff. So whatever you're gonna serve your ice cream cake on, you're gonna place that upside down, and then we're gonna turn the whole thing over. We're just gonna peel that away. She cute. I'm gonna kind of smooth out that ice cream a little bit and make it look like, you know, the top of a cake. So we're done. Obviously, you'll wanna serve this immediately, or you can put it back in the freezer just like this until you're ready to eat. We're digging right in. How cute is that? To finish it off, I'm gonna do a little chocolate sauce and sprinkles. That's a whole cake of perfect bites right there. You know what cake and ice cream tastes like. This is just that. Just like it's all melting down into the cake. See that? The simplicity of this dessert combined with the low cost factor makes this something you absolutely have to make this summer. Listen, we're doing this in a 9x13 that makes for easy